our 10 Mile Beach? Yeah, I think that's one, yeah. Getting, what are these called? Sand-Dune Daisies. Flown in from South Africa. It's the only place in Western Australia where they've been found here in Esperance since January.
What is your favourite thing about this club?
Favorite thing about this is learning how to drive a manual. Didn't get taught, so I'm gonna teach right now. And yeah, something to do in Wongutha.
Okay.
Besides anything else, but yeah.
Yep.
Alright, keep driving. Maybe we should film Amy running.
Got some bowl photos. Hello. We got Josh in there. Hello, LeBron. What is your favorite thing about this club?
I just like looking at the cars,
yeah.
30s, 75, 79 youths. Like throwing money in, looking at these cars. What this one is.
Ah, yeah. Hello, what is your favorite thing about this class?
Making these, they would take back to home, and all that. You can like hang on the wall or give it to your family and all that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and Bossy over there is measuring,
Measuring,
like originals. I just doing Australia, it's like, we're gonna do this.
G'day my Wongutha friends. Let's think about money today. How important is money to you? Do you want to have a big bank balance, or are you happy just to have enough for your needs? Jesus taught a lot of things about money and possessions. I want to tell you one of the things that he said. He said, think carefully about this. Don't be greedy. Don't try to get more things than you need. You can't get real life from the things that you own, even if you're rich. Jesus told them a picture story. He said, a rich man had a big garden. He planted lots of seeds there, and they grew into very big plants, and then those plants grew lots of seed food on them. The man looked at it, and he said to himself, my sheds are not big enough for all this seed food. Where will I put it all? He thought about it. And then he said, I know what I'll do. I'll pull down my little sheds and build big sheds. And I'll keep it all in those big sheds. And I'll keep all my other things in those big sheds too. And then I'll say, I've got lots of stuff now. I've got enough in those sheds to last me a long time. I don't have to do any work. I can just sit down and eat and drink and be happy. But God said to him, you are stupid. You're going to die tonight. then what will happen to all this stuff in your sheds? Who will get it? Not you. Jesus said, "This is a picture story to tell you people this. If you keep money and things just for yourself, and if you don't use them the way that God wants you to, you're stupid." That's from Luke chapter 12. Well, the opposite of stupid is wise. To be wise with our money and all the stuff we have, we need to live God's way by sharing. Like with old people or mums who are caring for kids with no one to help them, or with people who are hungry. God says when we do this, we'll be really happy. Think about it. G'day and God bless. Scriptures are from the plain English version of the Bible.